How to set up Oculus Link. Start the clock. Number 1, you need to have a standalone Oculus VR headset, either the Quest or Quest 2. In my case, the Quest. This method works the same on both. Number 2, you will need a VR compatible PC or laptop in order to run your games. Your PC will be the one making your game look pretty, and your headset will just display the screen. Number 3, next you'll need a USB-C to USB-A cable. Here's the long 16-foot cable I use on the daily. Works great. If you're lucky, you can use the USB-C to USB-C cable that came with your Quest, depending on your PC. Number 4, you want to then download the Oculus Home software on your PC. So now let's set it up. Open up your Oculus Home software on your PC. Go to Devices. Click on Add Headset. Click on Quest. Follow the instructions and plug the USB-C to your headset and either the USB-A or USB-C in your PC. Make sure the USB-A goes into a 3.0 port for better connection. You should get a green check mark and you're all set up, ready to play PC VR games. Put on your Oculus Quest and it should say Enable Oculus Link on the get-go. However, if not, then go to your settings and under Devices, click on Enable Oculus Link. If you absolutely don't know what to do next, you can play games from your Oculus Home software or get Steam VR, buy VR games and play them. Time! Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Help me spread the message that VR is the future of entertainment. And let's help advance VR tech together. Thank you and have a good one.